Hello, David here once again, coming at you on behalf of BeIncrypto. Today, we're going to talk a bit about Solana. First, we'll cover what it is and what makes it unique. Then we're going to take a look at three very promising platforms that have been built on the Solana blockchain. Of course, there's many more than just three interesting projects, so we'll also list some honorable mentions at the end, so be sure not to miss that. By the end of this video, you should have a pretty decent idea of what Solana is and what are some of the projects that make it interesting. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in and take a look at some of the most promising platforms being developed on Solana. Alright, let's begin by explaining what Solana is and what makes it unique. In essence, Solana is trying to do something very similar to Ethereum or Cardano. That is, it's a smart contract platform or global computer that's designed for running decentralized applications, or dApps. What sets Solana apart is the fact that it's designed from the ground up for scalability. At the time this video was made, the official website was boasting an impressive 1,800 transactions per second with an average transaction cost of just 0.00025 cents. Furthermore, according to the official documentation, the network should have no problem handling as many as 50,000 transactions per second or more, meaning it could easily scale for global adoption and mainstream applications. This is possible because Solana uses a combination of proof of stake and a system called proof of history. We've explained proof of stake on this channel before, but essentially this is a system where blocks are validated by nodes that have staked the native asset as collateral that will be lost if malicious activity is detected. It's essentially a much faster and eco-friendly way to secure a blockchain. In order to maximize efficiency and security, the proof of history mechanism is, in short, a series of timestamps used to ensure the order of the blocks cannot be tampered with, even if an attack on the network should occur. Because of these properties, Solana is growing fast as a fantastic solution for a variety of platforms, most notably decentralized finance. The native token is called SOL, and it has seen impressive price growth, especially during the summer of 2021. On that note, now that we've explained what makes Solana attractive, let's discuss some of the top offerings available today. The first offerings on our list are actually two different projects we wanted to mention together. Those projects are Serum and Raydium. Serum is a decentralized exchange and also uses a central on-chain order book to emulate the benefits of using a traditional exchange. The platform was launched on August 31st, 2020 and is supported by fairly big names such as FTX and Alameda Research. Raydium, then, is a highly popular automatic market maker and also a decentralized exchange, and we mention these platforms together because they are designed to share each other's liquidity. As a matter of fact, Serum was built for that exact reason, to extend the benefits of its order book to other decentralized exchanges and enhance liquidity for all. Raydium just happens to be the largest and most popular offering at this time. If you're familiar with other decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap, the idea is very much the same here. However, the speed and fees on Solana are incredibly low, and the benefit of shared liquidity means that the protocol will always get the user the absolute best deal when swapping assets. On top of this, various forms of farming yield are available, as users have come to expect when dealing with DeFi. The ultimate vision for Serum is to eventually reach mass adoption and become one of the world's premier decentralized exchanges, and frankly, it's well on its way. If you're interested in providing liquidity or swapping tokens on Solana, Raydium and Serum are probably where you're going to want to start. Up next, we have another bold innovator in the Solana DeFi space, a platform known as Mango. Mango is a different kind of attempt to bring the full range of options usually only available from centralized exchanges into the DeFi ecosystem. This means both spot markets as well as derivatives with up to 5x leverage. Furthermore, the exchange uses a pooled deposit system to offer some of the lowest fees on the already low-fee Solana blockchain. There are also built-in comprehensive analytics so you can track your trading progress, liquidation alerts, and a fully customizable user interface. This makes Mango a somewhat more professional and flexible trading platform, setting it apart in the world of DeFi and definitely one worth checking out. Lastly, we couldn't complete this list without mentioning non-fungible tokens, and Solana has quite a few offerings for those interested. One project of note is known as Solarians. Solarians were the first NFTs to come to Solana, and each one is a unique animated robot, with the total collection only ever having 10,000 Solarians minted, meaning there really is true scarcity. The designers created over 1,800 unique robot parts that are mixed and matched so that no two Solarians will ever be exactly alike. Already over half the total supply has been minted and sold, so if you're looking to get your hands on one, you better move fast. Of course, like most popular NFTs these days, they aren't exactly cheap. The lowest offer listed on the official marketplace at the time this video was made is 9.8 SOL, and with one SOL currently trading at around $160, you can appreciate that this is a notable investment. That being said, there are more benefits to owning one of these than just having a fun piece of digital art that may appreciate in value. Though not functional yet, the developers are planning to implement a system that has the owners of any of these NFTs also earn a percentage of the transaction fees generated by them. This would make them a form of passive income just for holding onto them, a feature that not a lot of other NFTs can currently offer. Okay, honestly, it was hard making the list just 3, so we wanted to quickly mention a few other projects that are also worth looking into. Some of these are similar to what we already discussed, or aren't fully functional yet, but we felt we couldn't just ignore them altogether. First off, we have to mention SolFarm. Basically, SolFarm is an automated yield aggregator. This means users can provide liquidity as well as stake their liquidity tokens to farm yield, all with mechanisms in place to offer maximum return, and everything can be managed from one simple interface. SolFarm already supports multiple different decentralized exchanges and dozens of assets, with more being added all the time. If yield farming is what brought you to Solana, then SolFarm is your one-stop shop. Then there's Orca, another decentralized exchange, but one that attempts to maximize user friendliness. For example, the exchange offers a fair price indicator. Basically, when you go to purchase tokens, the indicator will make sure that the decentralized exchange price is within 1% of the market price listed at CoinGecko. This means that users don't have to have faith that the exchange is reflecting fair market value, or even do their own research. Instead, the platform itself is monitoring the market for them. Last up, we wanted to mention the game Star Atlas. Though the Solana blockchain seems to be largely focused towards DeFi, that doesn't mean there aren't other types of applications as well. For example, there's the upcoming title Star Atlas. Star Atlas has players exploring a full universe filled with NFT-powered ships, land, and equipment. There are a variety of ways to engage with the game world and other players, and of course, users will be able to earn assets that hold real-world value. The main reason this only made the honorable mentions list is, like many other blockchain games out there, this one is still in development. There's already several ways that users can get involved, such as buying resources in the marketplace, but the full game is not yet available. Still, the website is sleek and the features promised look very intriguing, so keep your eye on this one if blockchain gaming is something you're interested in. If Solana's DeFi scene isn't exactly what you're looking for, but you still want to get involved with digital assets, then maybe consider buying them on the Stormgain cryptocurrency exchange. Stormgain is not only one of the hottest up-and-coming exchanges out there, it also offers several valuable perks such as a loyalty program, bonuses for referrals, annual interest on crypto deposits, and using the official app you can even begin cloud mining cryptocurrency for free today. Whether you want Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, or an array of other cryptocurrencies, just know that Stormgain offers a bit more than most other exchanges, so be sure to check them out. Okay, that's where we'll cut it off for today, but in truth, there are many, many more projects and platforms available on Solana, so be sure to go do some exploring on your own. Furthermore, if you're more interested in blockchain gaming than decentralized finance, then be sure to check out our recent video on the top 5 NFT-powered video games available today. Furthermore, as we all know, there's changes happening all the time in the world of cryptocurrency, and you're going to want to keep up. So why not check us out at BeIncrypto.com, where you'll find daily updates, analysis, and more. Also, don't forget about our other content right here on YouTube, such as interviews, educational videos, and our bi-weekly news show. And lastly, if trading is your thing, then come join our trading community on Telegram, where you'll get access to the latest technical analysis from our top traders. As I always say, thanks to everyone for watching, and we'll see each and every one of you here again real soon.